The key to good skincare is this wine right here. Good. Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Larry, and I am back with another video. Oh, y'all got me like shining here all of a sudden. Oh my gosh. So guys, I want to make a video about my skincare routine. So I wanted to make this video because I've tried a lot of different combinations of skincare. I've bought tons of stuff, you name it, I've tried it. It's been injected in me, I've ingested it. I've tried it all. I've had acne since I was probably 12, and I had the kind of acne where it was cystic. Like, I had the kind of acne where I would have to go to the dermatologist, and I would have to go to the dermatologist and I would have to get like numbing cream, and they would have to cut open my cyst and get the pus out. Like, I had the kind of acne where it hurt. I had it all over my face, my chest, my back. I had bad acne. So I am not one of those people coming to you that's got a couple pimples here and there and it's like, all you got to do is splash water and pray to Jesus and your skin will be clear. I am just not one of those people. So I've had bad skin, so I can relate. So these are really good tips that I am giving you. Before we get started, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe so you can see more videos and stuff or whatever. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, so you were here in my bathroom. I'm just here, I'm gonna do like a skincare video, skincare routine. So I've got makeup on, if y'all can see, got lashes on. So I'm gonna show you how to take it off. So what I actually start with is I use my Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. You guys can see that, and I use a Q-tip. And I actually go in with the Q-tip and go like at the base of my lash. So you guys will see here. And I do this just because this Clinique, it helps remove like makeup, and when I use a Q-tip I can get it right at the lash line so that this is actually easier to peel off. You see my lashes came off just like that. Next, I'm actually going to take my Clinique balm, and I just take like a little bit, like this much, and I rub it in between my fingers, and I'll apply that all over my face. So I really like this stuff because it literally melts the makeup away without clogging up your pores. I do have like problematic skin, and with my skin, I can't use coconut oil. I can't use any oils, well, not most oils. I can't use oil on my face, otherwise it will break me out. And I can use this to take off the balm because it's not comedogenic, so it won't break me out. Okay guys, so I rinsed it off. I look crazy, but I look crazy. This is how you should look. So I take my Cerave, I think it's the foaming facial cleanser. And what I do is I take this, and I take this silicone like brush pad. I got this from Sephora, it was like $6. And this helps to really deep clean my skin without causing a bunch of irritation. Because like I said, I have acne prone skin and I have sensitive skin. So I can't do like the Clarisonic brush, but I also didn't want to buy like that, I think it's that Luna brush, the one that like, you know, it's like $100. I also didn't want to buy that either. And this gives me the same effect. So I wash one time and then I go in a second time. I really let it lather, but this time I will wash my face for literally 1 full minute. Okay, so now we've officially washed our face. I just use a paper towel just to pat my skin dry. Make sure you use a paper towel You don't want to use a towel, even though I am guilty of doing that sometimes, but you don't want to use a towel because towels will hold germs and you don't want that on your face. Paper towels are really the best for your face when you're patting it dry. Next, my skincare tip, which I really haven't really seen anybody do this. So how I thought of this idea is I went to this like party or something, this girl, she was doing oils. She did an analysis of my skin and like my electromagnetic field. Some weird shit, girl, some weird stuff, some scientific stuff. But she did that, and this is kind of what gave me the idea. So what I do after I wash my face is I'll use witch hazel, but I will also use tea tree oil. So you want to use 100% pure tea tree oil. And what I will do is I will literally take a pad, cotton pad, and I will do that twice with the tea tree oil. And then I will take my witch hazel and dilute it. And then I'll actually take just a little bit of water, dilute it some more, because you want to dilute this as much as you can because the tea tree oil is pretty potent. And I'll put that, wipe that all over my face. Now make sure you don't get this near your eye. You will feel a tingle. Might feel a little burn, but just, just a little bit. And the tea tree oil has really helped my skin improve like drastically. I'll insert a clip of what my skin looked like probably a month ago. Not a month ago, 2 months ago. The tea tree oil has helped a ton. So tea tree oil, it's a natural antiseptic. So it's really good for the skin. Plus with the witch hazel, it's helped a lot. And like I said, this is the witch hazel that I use. I use this witch hazel because it's like $3.50 or something at Target, and it's 100% witch hazel. There's nothing in here but witch hazel. Okay guys, so next what I use is my acne medication. So this is prescribed to my doctor. It's Retin Micro. So that is what I use. It's been really good for my skin. I probably use this every other night. I used to use it every day, but now I use it every other night. I literally put a dime sized amount on my finger. I'll pat it on my skin. It's hard to use mechanical exfoliator, so stuff that you're, using your hands with. It's hard to use that because, sensitive skin is sensitive and it can't take that. This kind of helps keep it clean and get rid of any dead skin and clogging pore things all up in your face, girl. You know what I'm saying? All up in your face. I'm gonna let that sit for 1 minute. So when you apply things, you let it soak into your skin. Don't apply and then apply something else right after. It needs to sit in your skin. So let this sit for a minute. Okay guys, so one thing I did forget is I do use a vitamin C serum. I do use the Badescu vitamin C serum. So it's really good for just brightening your skin, evening the skin tone, helping minimize wrinkles. It's really good for that. So what I will say is I do not use this the same night that I use this. So I will do it every other night. So I'm using this tonight, so I won't use this because I feel like it's too harsh on my skin. Because like I said, I have sensitive skin, but I do use this serum. But what might throw you off is to moisturize my skin at night, I use an oil. Girl, I know. Acne prone skin and oil. Sis, what? But I do use oil. I use Drunk Elephant, the Virgin Marula Luxury Oil. So I got the little bottle. This is $40. I know, it's $40. But I have seen such an improvement with my skin with this bottle. The bigger bottle is $72. I think I'm gonna invest in it, but yeah. Also, I've gone on Amazon and gotten a, copycat, a Virgin Marula oil, 100%, all certified. And let me tell you, I broke out like nobody's business. Like within 2 to 3 days, I was just breaking out. So had to return it, had to go get this bad boy. So that was just a lesson that sometimes with, in skincare, you should go name brand. At least for me, I have to go name brand because anytime I try to do anything off brand, it never works. So with this, I'm just gonna use 2 to 3 drops. So that's 1 drop, 2, and a lot goes a long way, and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. So now I'm gonna take 1 more drop, and I wanna get some on my neck. You don't wanna forget your neck. I feel like that's what a lot of people forget when they do skincare, is they forget about their neck. And as you can see, I'm like going up on my neck. I'm not like bringing it down. I'm massaging it in. And there we go. And then even though this is my last step, I do let it sit on my face for a few minutes before I lay on my pillow, because I want my skin to absorb as much moisture as I possibly can. And then I don't have it with me, but I do use the eye cream. It's by Cerave. It's just their eye cream. I think it's like $14, but I will use the eye cream underneath my eyes right here, day and night. And so this is the final skincare, sis. We gonna be glowing in the morning. I can feel it. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. So guys, that was my skincare routine. I hope you guys picked up some tips, some tricks, some things you didn't really know about. I think the thing that I saw that gave me the most improvement in my skin was the washing your face for 1 full minute. When I thought about it, a minute is a long time. And when I actually tried it, I didn't, you know, realize how long a minute is, but I feel like my skin has gotten so much clearer ever just doing with that 1 step. So guys, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any more skincare topics, or if you guys have any things that you want to try, or if this was helpful, or if I gave you an idea that you never thought of. But yeah, please remember to watch the rest of my videos, and I will talk to y'all later. Peace.